Meaning of eyeshadow.
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 Eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is a cosmetic product applied to the eyelids and around the eyes to enhance their appearance. It comes in various shades, textures, and finishes, and can be either matte or shimmery. When applied correctly, eyeshadow can add depth and dimension to the eyes, making them look bigger and more dramatic. It can also help to create different effects such as smoky, natural, or colorful looks. The final result of eyeshadow application depends on the technique used and the color chosen, but generally, it should blend seamlessly to achieve a flawless finish.